Hi everyone, thanks for stopping in today. I greatly appreciate it. I am filming my second video for the day, and I am excited for this box. This is a big box, and this is from Lurella. It just came today, so I'm just slitting the tape. I'm curious. Usually they don't send such big, huge boxes, but you know. Let's just open this together and see what we have. It's $29.99 a month. Little air pockets, free shipping in the United States. Let's get rid of them. 5 to 7 Lurella beauty products. We have more air pockets here. So we'll get rid of that. Let's just see. Oh, nice. We're just going to start out. Is there a card before I start? I don't see a card for this month. I didn't miss it. No. Okay. I don't see a card. So I'm going to say, I was going to start on that one product, but I'm going to start on these. So we have 1, 2, 3. Are they different? Oh, I hope so. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. We have 4 here, and these are face masks. This is Coenzyme Q10 O2 Bubble Face Mask. Nice. I like trying different brands. So this I don't mind from them. Turmeric Face Mask. Pink Rose Face Mask. They all have different benefits. Green tea. Right here. And it does tell you on the front, like right here, oil control, acne removal, deep cleansing, moisturizing, and firming. And as long as there's a, I guess it's pretty much all of them. It's aging, firming, repairing, brightening, deep cleaning. So I'm excited for these. And, you know, these could be, you know, $1 a piece or maybe slightly less. Not really sure. This I could do without, but you know, I'm not going to get angry at it because the rest of this looks pretty awesome. Uncut Gems, and this is Sunflower. Okay, so we'll give that a pass. Here we have Big Heart Compressed Sponge Pack 25. Oh, okay. So you can see right here, but you can see all the sponges. There's, you know, 5 probably of each shade, right? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Pink, yellow, white, green, and blue. I'm definitely interested in them. See, I would love these in the shower for cleaning your face, because I keep shower facial cleanser in my, like, or a facial scrub, something like that, in the shower. These would, I would think would be better in the shower, because they would fit. I have a basket hanging off like a tail bar in the back, and I could just slip these in the front. So, okay, I'm excited for that. I don't know where to go next. Give me Glow Puff Powder Puff. This is highlighter ball number 2. Not really sure. Let's open this up and see. See some other interesting stuff. Oh, okay, got it. All right, let's see. And it says Lurella up here. Oh. When you do this, I don't know if you could see stuff coming out of it. You see the highlighter on my hand? Can you see that? That's pretty awesome. I would say that would be, whew, I can see the dust cloud stuff like on your chest. That would be kind of hard just to hit high points, but to do it like if you're wearing like an off the shoulder or something that you can see your décolleté, you can get in there and bounce it. That is stunning. And that's not too much. Like, can you see the difference? There's nothing on this hand, but this hand has just a little bit of shimmer. Ooh, how exciting. So this is a highlighter puff. Okay, I would definitely say more for body, but that is interesting. Okay, something different that we have not received. All right. This, I'm never going to say no to these because I love these. These are 3 little teardrop sponges, and you get a soap. These really do come in handy. In a pinch, could you use them on your whole face? Yeah, because these are dry. So when you wet them, they do puff up pretty nice. Like I said, in a pinch, you're traveling. Oh, I didn't bring my sponge. Or, oh, You could use one of them. You know, it might take you a little bit longer, but great like around under your eye or to stay off your eyebrow, get around your nose, just like you can use them to put highlighter on or use these for your blush, whatever you see fit. Here we have a mug, Lurella with Must Be Cindy. If you can't beat them, join them. Right here. Let's take this out. Okay. Love me a good mug. I did declutter a ton of mugs just because I had so many of them, but this is nice. Right here. I can still see the puff, the powder. Lurella Must Be Cindy. If you can't beat them, join them. That's cute. Nice white mug. I'm happy about that kind of stuff. Let's get you back in. And this is... Sometimes it tells you the ounces. I would assume, what are usually coffee mugs? 8 ounces, 10 ounces, something like that. So that's not bad. I don't know where to put this so that it doesn't break. Might have to go back in the box with that. So this, I don't want to show you just yet. I'm not sure what that is. Then we have two Lonely brushes, and one is a flat, completely flat brush, which would be good for like if you're putting like liner on. And then this is, you know, like a packer blender brush. So these, you know, their brushes are not too bad. Which one should I do first? Oh, I don't know. All right, let's do this first. We have a mirror, on the go mirror, but look where you can put it. In your car. How interesting. I already have a mirror in my visor, and I wouldn't use it for that, but it'd be still nice to have. Good travel. Let's get you out of it first. And there is charging cable. But maybe you have a car that doesn't have it, or it doesn't work anymore, things like that. So it does have the, you know, the straps to go around your, you know, your mirror, your visor. I'm sorry, not your mirror, your visor. And it is protected with a little piece of this. So I'm gonna, I really can't, this is gonna like glare out if I shoot. So how does this go on? Oh, okay, so you just, I'm just gonna give you like a side shot of it right here. So it has different brightnesses, and you just press off. That's interesting. So that's the size of it right there. Let me just see. That's not bad. Like, if that's a little bit. Oh, so it's got 3 different, and then off. That's interesting. So that is the size of the mirror right there. I like this too. You know, if you travel, and let's say, you know, there's several of you or 2 of you for a bathroom, and you're like, well, you don't have to use these straps. You can lean this up and still, you know, do makeup in the, like you're a passenger in the car, and you don't want to necessarily be, because I don't know about you, to lean up to do anything in my mirror. It's like not a good position for me. So something like this, you know, you can hand, you know, hold it by hand. And then I like that it's rechargeable. I'm all about rechargeable stuff because, you know, who wants to be messing with batteries? You can always charge stuff. So that is awesome. I love that. I can't believe we didn't get a card this month. So that's pretty good. I'm going to put some stuff back in. I think so far this is exciting. The only thing that I can honestly do without is this, but I'm happy with everything else. So let me just move some of this. So for $30, so then we have something in this right here. And this is Life is a Celebration. Look at the size of that palette. Everything is always sealed with Lurella. I do appreciate that. Everything, palette-wise, any kind of shadow, highlighters, or lipsticks, they're always sealed. Which, you know, these days is important. And, you know, I think they always have done it. I love this box. Look, it's a big palette. I wouldn't say I'd be traveling with this one. That's a big one. Let's get a look at this. What? What? Oh my goodness. Is there... Oh God, I didn't want to... Oh, if I could just open this properly. So there's no mirror, which is okay. But here's the first section. Can you guys see all that? I'll come in close so you can see, and then I'll move it. Some brights. Some stuff for your face, like bronzer. Right? Nice. You know, the blues and pinks, sometimes white if you go light enough, you can use it for inner corner, for like under your brow. Not bad neutral shades. The blues and the pinks are bright. And then here we have, like, down here. And then, if you flip that up, oops, and this is a little bit of a protective shield, so I'm going to leave that there. And these are some more brights, but I think an awesome palette. Wow. You know, reds and orange, yellow, ooh, maybe not so much, but now these shades of blues, maybe a little bit better, like the navy, the darker blues. Purple's not bad, the greens, some of the yellows, maybe some of the darker tones. But that is so nice. So no mirror in this one. I love the blush and the highlighter. What a phenomenal palette. Oh my goodness, I love it. Last month, palette-wise, was a little bit of a bummer with like the bright pinks, but wow. See, now I obviously would not travel with that anywhere. That's heavy and it's big, and you're going to risk breaking a whole big palette like that. I love it. I do love the mirror, but I think I love this. I love this. I mean, I think that is such a subtle little touch. Put it on your shoulders. Put it on your legs if you have a dress on, a short dress or shorts. On your décolleté. I mean, if you can get it on your face, go for it. But hopefully you guys can see that. A little bit of sparkle. I think that is phenomenal. I love it. I've not seen anything like that. But how nice. It's already in the powder puff. You can put it anywhere. You know, you're putting your bathing suit on and you're going to the pool, or you're going, and you know, you want to look awesome. Put it everywhere. You know, or however you want to, you know, however you want to do it. Like, I think everything in here is a win. Except these. But I'll excuse that because everything else is phenomenal. Let me know your thoughts. Do you love this box? Is Lurella coming back? Are we finally going to start getting these awesome boxes again? I hope so, because I really do like my Lurella boxes. The last couple months, maybe 3, 4, 5 months have been like mediocre. I mean, I love everything. I think this is an awesome, awesome box. So if you didn't get your Lurella box yet, you'll have to let me know when you get it. What you think? Do you get different products, different, like, is your powder puff like that peachy pink, or is it a different color? You know, did you get this? What do you think of the palette? But I would love to know your thoughts in the comments down below. Pick a product out of everything that I just shared with you that would be your favorite. It might not be the powder puff. That like blows me away. I will use that. I think that's awesome, especially in the summer months. You know, you're sleeveless, which I don't like sleeveless, but a lot of times you can see my décolleté. So I could put a little bit on and just, you know, put it on my legs too. I always wear shorts, so why not? Palette I love, mug, yes, and I always love trying different companies' masks. Since I no longer get pastry, I love these. And these feel nice and juicy inside and not like dried out and yucky. They definitely, I think this is an awesome idea. You know, we all know a sponge, what it looks like, flat and wet. It's probably nice and puffy. Great way to exfoliate your face, or you could use it to get the highlighter off, you know, in the shower or things like that. So I can't wait to hear what you guys all think of this. I love it. Thank you so much, Lurella. And thank you all for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll catch you all in my next video. Bye for now.